Hi everyone, this is Bramesh from Bramesh Tech, and in this video we'll discuss about Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis for the coming week based on Astro, Gann and neural analysis. Now Nifty has been in a very good ride on upside and it is approaching some important Gann levels, so it's time to be cautious. Bank Nifty has been underperforming the market, so Nifty is rising basically based on Reliance and IT moves. So, but both are approaching some important resistance levels. So it's time to be cautious and book some profit, take some profit off the table, and let's plan for the coming week. Coming week, we have only 4 trading sessions because 10th is a holiday on the event of Ganesh Chaturthi. So now let's see. And tomorrow we have the important Smita cycle, which I've discussed in the previous video. So first, there are two important astro events which are happening. First is, the moon is conjuncting Mars. Moon is a very, very important planet for intraday and for short term, and Mars being nearest to the sun. And when they go in conjunct, generally we see important, turning points in the market. So if you can see here, this was a good turn. Here also we have a good turn and a good rally. Again a good turn here, a good turn here. It's a very small cycle on a smaller time frame. Exact top here, exact bottom here, from there good rally. So this is happening on 7th, when the Smita cycle is starting. And one important astro event which is happening today, so basically today and tomorrow will be very important for knowing the trend of the market. So one astro event which is happening today is the Mars is going 150 degree, or what we call as the yod aspect, that is happening. So let me quickly, this is Mars is going yod. Yod is basically a 150-degree aspect. It's a very, very important aspect. It is going with Jupiter. Jupiter is all about banking. So I expect Bank Nifty to outperform Nifty from going forward. And you can see here this event happens like, last time it happened here. We had a small bottom and a good rally for next few days. Again, it happened all the way. This is a very rare aspect. See here, after that generally we had a good fall in the market. Again you can see here we had a good fall. And I mean, it happens very rarely, but as and when it happens, you tend to see a good trending. You see here again a top and a fall. So generally after this aspect, generally Bank Nifty generally tend to fall, and this is happening again on 7th, right? So these are the two important aspects which are happening on 7th. So 7th high and low with Smita cycle is very, very important for us. Now let's quickly look at the neural. What neural is saying, neural says this is for Nifty. It shows that we can see a top in the market, and the next one it is showing like Bank Nifty, and we can see some good decent fall in the market. So these are also pointing on the negative side. Having said that, levels are paramount for us. We might say make a bearish bias, but till our levels are not reached, it's always prudent not to go short in the market. And one important aspect is basically this is the Gann weekly Gann chart of Nifty. As you can see here, Nifty is approaching the resistance zone. The final resistance is somewhere near 7449 or 7450. Today we have made a high of 17429 till now, and let's see how the market goes from here. So these are the levels which I'm watching out for. Nifty 17350, very, very important level. Why this level is so important, I've told in my daily analysis also. So this is a simple calculation based on symmetry. So 12430 we made a top on January 20th January, and 24th March we made a bottom of 7511. The difference is 4911 points. You add to this, you get to this level. And one important thing which I'm observing in USD, this is Bank Nifty again, and you can see here it is forming an important ABCD pattern which is having a PRZ zone around 37,200. So this is an important level to watch out for. And for USD we are forming an important ABCD pattern. So if the low of last week is not breached, we can see some good rally in USD, which is not good for equities per se. So these are the levels which you can watch out for. And so we have discussed about neural, we have discussed about the Gann levels. These are a combination of Gann levels. Yeah, one important thing which I wanted to show you is these cycles. Like a lot of people are asking me where can Nifty rally. So this is a a clickable thing. I mean, support and resistance. So this was the bottom in somewhere in April, which Bank Nifty has made around 3405. If you calculate these levels, So you get this an important level of 37007. The bank nifty is not able to breach this level, so probably it's prudent, above this level. If it sustains and close above 37007, we can see a move all the way towards 37780, which is near the all-time high. So important is to close above 37007. That is where you should add longs, and about 37200 when the PRZ zone will also fail. After that you'll see a momentum, and within one day you should see this move as and when it happens. If it is not able to breach, then 37241 will act as an important zone of support. This level should be very important for option writers. Similarly, let me show you for Nifty also. This is for Nifty made a bottom somewhere here in the July month, and from there these are the important levels: 66 17 044 important level. And if we break 17450, which is the Gann level, then we should see a very good quick move towards 17570, 17576 and 584. Remember these two levels, 576 and 584, very very important resistance zone. We should see some pullback from these levels if this level comes. So that's about it. Neural analysis, important levels, and let's see what market has in place. Stay disciplined, trade with the right position size. Thank you.